lovely flight.
I was watching Judge Mathis. Hi. Look at this fanciness. Official UPA rule for amateur. Who cares?
For the
pool table. Like, who's gonna do that?
Who's doing that? Not me. Want to play pool? Just kidding. Brooke, you're in Texas. How does it feel?
It feels very luxurious. I feel like I live in the ghetto. It really is nice, everybody. Look at on track, now we on way up. Don't be used as easy as a layup. Working late.
Just kidding. So we're getting ready to head to Ikea. Remember I told you guys I needed a desk? My internet is getting turned on today and my lease is up at the old apartment today. So I gotta get a desk today. So that's what you're about to do? Today. So we are at Terry Black's barbecue. It was actually pretty good. I had the brisket sandwich with a side of green beans and Mexican rice. It was bomb or whatever. But yeah, I think we're gonna head out and go back to the apartment and have some wine.
Hi guys. We in Dallas. We in Deep Ellum. We in Dallas. We in Deep Ellum. We in Dallas. We in Deep Ellum.
No, in Connecticut it is.
Oh. God.
That's why you need to change your fucking clock. I'm like, it is not 7:30, sis.
do for me, boy, I know.
That video thugs.
So we had so much fun at XOXO Dining Room, right, Brooke?
So much fun.
Ew, look at that rag. It looks so gross. Just ignore that. You want to say something?
Are you drunk? Are you high? Are you tiny? Which one are you?
I'm Candy.
I'm Coco. I'm just playing. I'm Taj. I can't sing, but I got a lot of personality.
So, we're about to go to the grocery store. We're not really hungry right now, but we will be. So we did it and go to the store or whatever.
Are we gonna do a cook with me?
Yeah, tune in. The next video gonna be cook with me. We gonna
Get
cook
ready.
together.
Cook. YouTube, what up? Follow me. Psych. I'm not on nothing.
All right, so come to the store with us. We gonna be right back and we finna cook. All right, period.